Dear John asks her name if she wants to play. Little cafe where the lonely go and play. Little games and sad songs just past the house of the rising sun, where everybody knows just how the story will end. 'Cause tomorrow there'll be strangers in Blue Cafe again. The neon's on from dusk till dawn, Blue Cafe. The lady in red puts out a cigarette as she looks away. Oh, and I know that they both know if she wants them, he won't go, yet he won't stay. Blue Cafe, where the lonely go and play. Little games and sad songs just past the house of the rising sun, where everybody knows just how the story will end. 'Cause tomorrow there'll be strangers in Blue Cafe again, where everybody knows just how the story will end. 'Cause tomorrow there'll be strangers in Blue Cafe again.
This dance is Blue Char, choreographed by Fred Buckley and Vivian Scott. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, rock forward, recover, shuffle back, right, left, right, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, left, right, left. Section 2, step forward, give it a half turn left, shuffle a half turn left, rock back, recover, triple forward, left, right, left. Section 3, cross side, triple in place, cross side, triple a quarter turn left to face 9 o'clock. Last section, rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, step forward, pivot a half turn left, walk forward, right, left. Weights on my left, I'm facing 3 o'clock and I start over. And one hint, all the turns go left. Now let me go over the dance for the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.